this module, learn how to add charge rates. These are the hourly rates that you charge to customers for labour on projects. Head to Global Settings to set up your charge rates. Here we can see our global charge rates, which can be applied to anyone in the company. Click New Charge Rate to add one. Let's add an apprentice rate of $35 per hour. Now, when we go to create or edit any user, under invoicing information, we'll be able to set this as their default charge rate. You can also add user-specific charge rates that can only be applied to this user. To do this, click New User Rate. Let's add a rate of $40 per hour for this user. This might be a special rate that is charged when they work on particular days or projects. When setting time plans for projects, this special rate can be selected to override the user's default rate.